What's up, guys? Imagine having serious gaming power that fits right on your desk without taking over the whole space. Today on Tech Product, we are diving into the best mini gaming PC that packs desktop-level performance into a compact body. This is a high-performance mini gaming PC built for power users and gamers. Let's get started. One product that stands out in this category is the TopGrow T1 Pro Mini Gaming PC. TopGrow has designed the T1 Pro to deliver strong performance in a small and clean form factor. It may look compact, but inside it carries hardware that can handle demanding games and heavy creative work with ease. At the heart of the TopGrow T1 Pro Mini Gaming PC is the 13th Gen Intel Core i9 13900HK processor. It comes with 14 cores and 20 threads, along with a 24 MB cache and boost speeds up to 4 GHz. In simple terms, this means fast performance whether you are gaming, editing videos, or running multiple apps at the same time. Intel Turbo Boost technology helps the system increase speed when you need extra power, keeping everything smooth and responsive. Graphics performance is handled by the GeForce RTX 4060 mobile GPU built on the Ada Lovelace architecture. This graphics card supports real-time ray tracing and DLSS 3.0 technology. That means more realistic lighting, sharper visuals, and higher frame rates in modern games. It also uses Max-Q technologies to balance power and efficiency, so you get strong graphics performance without excessive heat or noise. When it comes to memory, the TopGrow T1 Pro Mini Gaming PC includes 32 GB of dual-channel DDR5 RAM. This ensures smooth multitasking and fast data processing. If you ever need more, it can be expanded up to 64 GB. Storage is also impressive with a 1 TB 2 NVMe PCIe 4.0 SSD. This gives you fast boot times and quick game loading. Plus, there are additional M.2 2280 slots that allow expansion up to 8 TB, so you have plenty of room for large game libraries and creative projects. Customization is another strong point. The adjustable RGB lighting lets you personalize the look of your setup. You can match it with your keyboard, mouse, or overall desk theme. Fan speed control gives you the option to balance quiet operation with stronger cooling during intense gaming sessions. This helps maintain performance while keeping noise under control. Connectivity is modern and future-ready. The TopGrow T1 Pro Mini Gaming PC supports Wi-Fi 6E for ultra-fast wireless internet. This means lower latency and better stability for online gaming. It also features Bluetooth 5.3, making it easy to connect wireless headsets, controllers, and other accessories. For wired connections, the 2.5 gigabits per second Ethernet port provides stable and high-speed network performance, perfect for competitive gaming and fast file transfers. All of this power comes in a compact design that fits easily into small spaces. It keeps your desk clean and organized while still delivering the performance of a much larger system. Small size, serious power. If you are looking for a compact system that can handle both work and high-end gaming, this one deserves attention. Check the price link in the description and do not forget to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more exciting tech content. See you in the next video.